In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix your PayPal money that's stuck on pending in just 5 minutes. It's a common issue and can be quite frustrating, but with a few simple steps, you can get your funds released. Let's dive right in. To get started, open your web browser and go to the official PayPal website. You'll land on the homepage where you'll see various options. Next, click on the login button, which is usually at the top right corner. Enter your registered email address and password. Make sure these details are correct to avoid any login issues. Once you've done that, click login to access your account. Now that you're in, it's important to understand why your money is on hold. There could be several reasons for this. For instance, you might not have sold anything in a while, or perhaps multiple customers have reported problems with previous transactions. Additionally, if your selling pattern seems unusual, or if you're selling higher risk items, these could also trigger a hold. It's also worth noting that receiving payments for goods and services, rather than from friends and family, can cause your funds to be temporarily held. To resolve this issue, head over to your recent activity or activity tab. Here you should find a list of your transactions. Look for the specific transaction that is causing concern. It should be marked as on hold. Once you locate it, click on the Get Your Money button or link associated with that transaction. This is where you'll start the process to release the funds. You'll be presented with options to update the order status for your service or item. Make sure you choose the appropriate one. If there's any further information required about the transaction, fill that in carefully. After entering all the necessary details, hit submit to finalize the update. This step signals to PayPal that the transaction details are complete and accurate. Alternatively, adding tracking information can also help speed up the process. To do this, ensure you're using an approved shipping carrier and then provide the tracking number for your shipment. PayPal allows you to print shipping labels directly through their platform, which is handy, and you can upload the tracking info there too. This not only helps in releasing your money, but also builds trust with your buyers as they can track their package. And there you have it. By following these steps, you should be able to get your PayPal money released from pending and back into your available balance. These proactive measures not only help in immediate situations, but also provide a smoother experience for future transactions. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. If you did, consider subscribing for more helpful tips like this one.